Doing it on Omega. Episode 412, part 1. This is TRI-Brigade versus ADAMANCIPATOR. He just scooped right away. Game 1 and 2. Okie dokie. I was like, should I wait for... I was gonna discard a rock monster. Discard a rock. Special summon from your deck one rock monster that has the same original attribute and level as that monster in face of attack position or face down defense position. You can only use this effect of Doki Doki once per turn. He discarded Kwakimeru Guardian and I chained it with Effect Veiler, negating its effect. When he ends his turn, I draw Triple Tactics Talent. I'm still new to this deck, like I've really never used Talent before. I'm gonna Fractal, send this card, and then send a level 3 or lower beast, any type of beast. And he's gonna chain it with Ash, attempting to negate it, and he did negate it. But since your opponent has activated a monster effect during your main phase this turn, you can activate one of these effects. I'm going to choose draw 2 cards. And not a good draw, but that's okay. I normal summon TRI-Brigade Kit, and he scoops. What the fuck? And it's almost the same thing. Part 2. Round 2. Dude! He goes first. He's gonna normal summon ADAMANCIPATOR Analyzer. During your main phase, you can excavate top 5 card of your deck, and if you do, special summon one excavated level 4 lower non-tuner rock monster. Place the rest to the bottom of the deck in any order. You can only use each effect ADAMANCIPATOR Analyzer once per turn. I'm gonna Veiler him. It's gonna end his turn. I draw another Fractal. Alright, activate Fractal. I'm gonna send him to the grave and then attempt to send to the graveyard any type of beast that is level 3 or lower. And since the card is going from the deck to the graveyard, you can activate Ash, send it to the grave, and activate when your opponent activates a monster effect or control no monsters, quick effect, you can special summon this card. Special summon both this card and from your hand and one side frame driver from your hand, deck, or graveyard, and if you do, negate the activation. If you do that, destroy that monster. During the end phase, banish face up monster special summon with this effect. And he just scooped it. Let's duel this. Does he have a deck? 412, come on. Ooh, he does have a deck. 412. Alright. You were at 1156, 1174. 412. Where are you? 412. 412, right there. Let the net decking begin! What? Oh yeah, the Dragoon package. Got the new cross out. Not bad, 45 card deck. Where were we? 260. Still at 260. Comment, share, like if you sub it if you liked it. See you guys.